Today we're featuring a 2014 Scion XB. It's got 40,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax 2-owner record. Alright, super white in color. I'll go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. First thing we notice, it's got the turn signals in the mirrors there. Right. Driver's side look good. Got the big spoiler on the back. Across the rear of the vehicle, it's in good shape. Alright, the exterior of this XB is in really good shape. Everything looks good. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. Alright, got the black on black door panels. Nice little insert here, cloth insert. Power locks, power windows. Black cloth seats. Alright, driver's seat's in good shape. Does have a keyless entry. Passenger seat cloth looks good too. It is an automatic. You got your climate controls there, touch screen there, Pioneer audio. Alright, and then your mileage is going to be up there in the gauges, and I'll show you that in a second. And it does have steering wheel audio controls. Alright, let's go and take a look at your mileage. Alright, went ahead and turned it on. We got the lights on in here so you can see the buttons a little bit easier. Alright, it is an automatic. Got your climate controls there. Alright, here's your touch screen. So you got your setup menu with all the display there. Okay, and then all your gauges are lit up here. Got your outside temperature, the time, RPMs, fuel gauge, and it's got 40,568 miles on it. We've had the AC going now for about 10 minutes, everything blowing cold there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Alright, back seat cloth looks good. Floor mats look good. Carpet down there looks like it's in really good shape. No problems with the interior of this vehicle at all. I'm going to go ahead and give you the driver's eye view, kind of let you see the layout of the dash. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at your storage area. Alright, carpet back here looks good. Got a nice little Scion mat here. I'll go ahead and stand to the side so you can see the depth. Alright, plenty of space back here. Really easy to get these seats down to. There's a button here, you push that. All you do is just push the seats right up. Let's go ahead and give you a shot of that. Alright, and you can see how much it opens it up back here. Alright. Let's go ahead and check out your wheels and tires. 16-inch steel wheels, the nice plastic hubcaps. Brand new set of tires. Alright, and just to recap, it's a 2014 Scion XB, 40,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax 2-owner report. Okay, it's very well taken care of on the inside and the out. Alright, paint's good, interior's good. So come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.